Okay, so it's Christmas Day, 2013, and yeah, I'm out running around trying to find a Denny's or a Waffle House that isn't standing room only, and I pulled into this parking lot to do some texting, and I guess I'm going to do my part for the, I believe it's the Audubon Society's Christmas bird count. Because once I parked the truck, these guys decided to make a visit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 seagulls. And I'm in Concord, North Carolina. I'm sure these guys are residents of the local dump. Okay, got some kind of blackbirds. I don't know what they are. They're black. Anyway, Merry Christmas.